These seat covers are 3 years old, and I think they've held up pretty well. There's no rips, tears, or any other issues like that. I did have them off for a little while recently, which is why they got these crease in it from being temporarily stored. This is wet right now. I'm trying to clean them up. So it's kind of gotten, these are actually like, well, not really stains because they seem to be coming out, but these are marks that have got, like dirt that's gotten on the covers. And you can see the white piping has gotten some discoloration to it. So I just did the bottom edge of this cushion, and that seat's already done. And the process to clean them is fairly simple. I found this product online, and it's not a lot in this bottle. It's 8 ounces, but you use basically half a bottle cap, which is half an ounce, or I should say you use one whole cap full, and I think that's about a quarter of an ounce. So basically you're using like half an ounce each time. So that's actually a lot of cleanings, and it gets diluted with water. Wet Ocalay sells their own stuff, but this was about $9 shipped. So I found that to be cheaper than theirs, and it's just basically a wetsuit cleaner. Nothing particularly impressive about it other than that. So I did one capful in half a gallon, because it's 2 capfuls for a whole gallon. So, and this is going to be plenty just to do these 2 covers. You can already see how much dirt this is pulled off. So it really does seem to work. And then I have a side here that I'm using for rinse water, and then a towel to pat things dry. So the process is actually fairly simple. And if you look at this area, I just did this bit, and it pretty much came clean. So it does seem to work. In fact, I don't think there's any stains yet that have not come off. Actually, another is one. There's a little stain right there. It doesn't seem to be wanting to come off. But you can use that cleaner directly on there, undiluted, and that'll be my follow-up. So let me show you how we do it here. Basically take this, bring it out, and it's really quite simple. You stick it on there and just kind of rub it on, kind of rub it in, and there's a grain to this neoprene. I'm kind of doing like some round motions. I'll kind of go with the grain a little bit, and then I am definitely concentrating on the white piping because you can see how dirty it is, and it's not necessarily coming back perfect, but as I rub this on here, I'll use this part while it's still wet. Now the weird thing about this material is that as it gets wet, it kind of leaves scary marks. So like, you're like, oh my gosh, what did I do? Oh no, I've like wrecked it. There's something on the cloth. No, it's just the way it does that. But you'll get these hard edges, and you're like, oh no, something's horribly staining this. You do it on the seat because it actually keeps everything under tension, so you can scrub on it pretty hard. But also because waterproof. It's wetsuit material. It's neoprene, so it's not like the seat's gonna get wet. And you just kind of work at it. And that's the process. So, yeah, and once you're satisfied with that, put that back in there. And I apologize for my fingers. I seem to always end up with my hand on the wrong side of the phone. And then you just kind of give it a rinse. It might be a little wetter rinse than I normally do. And then take the towel. I'm just trying to get most of the water off. And I don't really get a real good preview for how things are, but you get the idea, I think. So there you can see how that came out compared to the way it looks when it was before I cleaned it. Again, and all the marks here. So that's your kind of your before, and this is your after. And of course, this has to air dry, so there won't be any driving the car anytime this afternoon. And as long as there isn't more water coming from the sky, we should be good. So yeah, more or less good as new when they're done.